Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Colors name: blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, and here is blue color. Kids, now draw B. B for ball, and here is blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish. G. G for God. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. It's neither J. J for jackfruit, and here is red color. The alphabets of J. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids, neither R. R for rose, and here is yellow color. S. S for sun. Kids, again use yellow color and draw T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. Kids, neither V. V for van. W. W for wallet. X. X for X-ray. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now draw numbers, and first read of 1, and use black color. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Kids, I can use black color and draw 8. 9. 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.